Have you ever felt discriminated against in housing, perhaps when renting or trying to buy a home? It is an incredibly frustrating and unfair experience, and knowing what steps to take afterward is crucial. After filing a complaint with the Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, you should expect a structured investigation process. This typically involves HUD reviewing your complaint, conducting an investigation, attempting conciliation, and potentially issuing a charge of discrimination. HUD is responsible for enforcing the Fair Housing Act, which prohibits discrimination in housing based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, familial status, and disability. Their process is designed to determine if a violation occurred and to seek a resolution. It is a legal and administrative process, so it can take time, sometimes several months or even longer, depending on the complexity of your case. They aim to investigate the facts, gather evidence from both sides, and facilitate a voluntary agreement if possible. If conciliation fails and there is reasonable cause to believe discrimination occurred, HUD will issue a charge and may bring the case before an administrative law judge or refer it to the Department of Justice. To navigate this process effectively, make sure you keep all records related to your complaint and housing situation. This includes emails, texts, advertisements, and any correspondence with the alleged discriminator. Cooperate fully with HUD investigators by providing requested information promptly and being available for interviews. Remember to update HUD if your contact information changes or if you have any new developments related to your complaint. While HUD represents the public interest, you might also consider consulting with a private attorney who specializes in fair housing law for independent advice. It is important to know about conciliation, which is HUD's effort to resolve the complaint through a voluntary settlement between you and the respondent. This can include monetary compensation, injunctive relief, or other remedies. Another key term is reasonable cause, which HUD must find to issue a charge of discrimination. This means there is enough evidence to believe a violation of the Fair Housing Act has occurred. Understanding HUD's structured investigative process helps you stay informed and prepared, reducing uncertainty during what can be a challenging time. By actively participating and knowing what comes next, you are better equipped to protect your housing rights and contribute to fair housing for everyone.